Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, and in this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, we will be unboxing a phone case for the Samsung Galaxy A12. So I got this phone case from Amazon.com for under $9, as you can see here. This is the Leegu for Samsung Galaxy A12 case. This offers camera protection, shockproof dual layer, as you can see here. This is one of those Incipio type cases that we have here. So let's go ahead and read through the product description for the Leegu for Samsung Galaxy A12. Camera protection, shockproof dual layer, SIM protective phone case with invisible magnetic ring kickstand. So as you can see here, you have three different options to choose from. I went with the black color, but you can always choose blue or red color. Like I said before, this is one of those Incipio case where it's a dual layer case, two-part case. But for this case, this has a ring on the back, a kickstand on the back. So here's what the product looks like on Amazon.com. You can always do the search for yourself. And what I like about this case is that it offers the camera protection upgrade, full camera protection. As you can see there in the photo, this has a higher 1mm screen protection for your front-facing phone. And on the next part, this has a comprehensive protection of polycarbonate and TPU. So the top part is plastic polycarbonate, and the inside is TPU. As you can see here, a combination of hard polycarbonate and soft TPU. And this has a laser CD pattern, which is a kickstand made out of metal. So this has an integrated invisible ring stand or a kickstand. Free your hands and follow the drama anytime, anywhere. Here this has an anti-shock and anti-falling with 360-degree full protection. And here's an installation guide for your screen protector. This comes with a screen protector, which we'll be checking out soon. And here's the packaging that you will receive from Amazon after you place an order. So this is a super cheap packaging with no brand. This is from a Leegu brand that I found on Amazon. Let's go ahead and unbox the phone case. Unpack the phone case. Here's the barcode. You want to look this up on Amazon. Here you can see that is made in China. Once you pull out the case, here is what you are going to get. First thing that you'll see is the case itself. It comes with a screen protector. Here in this packaging, this includes your microfiber wipes. Here's the screen protector that comes with. And what I've noticed is that this is not a glass screen protector. This is one of those film screen protectors that you can bend easily. So this is not a glass screen protector, which I'll be showing you what I recommend using a glass screen protector for your phone. And here's the phone case itself. Really like the cutout here. This has a precise cutout for your camera lens. And here I have the Samsung Galaxy A12 in my hands, and this will cover the glass lens, only exposing the lenses itself. This has 5 cutouts, including your flash. Here's a cutout for your fingerprint power button. And here's the inside of what it looks like. So the inside is made out of TPU, while the outside is polycarbonate. And here's the metal kickstand or ring stand. I really like to call this a kickstand. And you can always prop your phone in any way. So for the screen protector, I do not recommend using this. That comes with the case. I really recommend buying yourself a tempered glass screen protector from Uyuba if that's how you pronounce it. This is a tempered glass screen protector that I got for under $7. This has a 9H rating, and this is an actual true glass screen protector that comes with 3 for under $7. So here's the back side, and I'm going to head and take my X-Acto knife and go ahead and unbox it, since we're just going to apply this to our phone before installing the screen protector. So once you open this up, here's what you're going to get inside. You're going to get this frame. This is kind of like a template frame, or a guide to help you install the glass screen protector. You get these packets, and here the screen protector itself, and that's all about that. And with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and install the screen protector. So I have already installed the glass screen protector that is separate from this phone case that it comes with. Here you can see this bubble, which will dissolve in a couple of days. And now let's go ahead and take out our phone case here, the Leegu Samsung Galaxy A12 phone case, and install this to our Samsung Galaxy A12. So it has a simple installation. All you have to do is squeeze in from the corners, and it would hear a click. And yeah, so that is the case, the Leegu Samsung Galaxy A12 dual layer case for the Samsung Galaxy A12. Let's go ahead and see if it unlocks. And yeah, so let's go ahead and check out the sides and the cutouts. Here are the buttons for the volume buttons, which works really well. Kind of like the Incipio dual layer cases that I unboxed here. Here's the side of the phone, which has an exposed fingerprint scanner, which is good. And here's nothing on this side, just nothing there. Here on the top side, you have a cutout for your mic. And on the bottom side, you have a cutout for your aux port, your mic, your USB Type-C charging port, and a cutout for your speaker. So really love this phone, really love this case, since it reminds me of one of those Incipio dual layer cases. So here's the protection from the camera lenses that comes with a TPU back. Here is the kickstand that comes with a metal ring for your kickstand. And yeah, so this is really love the design of this phone. Here you can have it prop up to your index finger so it doesn't fly out if somebody bumps into you. And you can always use it as a kickstand. You can rotate and turn the kickstand however you want, and you can always watch videos while doing something else in this presentation mode. So yeah, like I said, you can always move this around to your liking. You can move this back and forth. And yes, this has a rotatable kickstand, and I really love this phone case for under $9 on Amazon. So yeah, so that's about it for the unboxing of Trinh. If you like this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below on what you think about this phone case. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to check out my other YouTube content that is on this channel. And thank you for watching Unbox. Well, Trinh, I'll see you on the next one.